name's Joseph Burr. My partner Jess Prudence and I decided to innovate a Bluetooth speaker for our project. The reason why we chose a Bluetooth speaker is because music is a part of everyday lives of college students, and we noticed that Bluetooth speakers just from the stock shelves aren't really that great. So after doing some surveys and some questionnaires from college students and friends, we found that sound quality, durability, and battery life are among the top 3 choices that people want to see changed in their Bluetooth speakers. Now, there's a lot of different ways that you can go through and change these 3 things, but MDF is primarily the biggest change that we've seen. Most stock speakers are made out of thin plastic and there's nothing else on the inside of the case. So we added MDF to ours to give it more of a better sound quality, and instead of having 1 speaker, we went with 2 speakers, and these 2 speakers give it a more full range than just the single mono speaker. On top of that, we went ahead and added a larger battery in there, and it tripled the battery life. So instead of being just a few hours, it's about 7 to 8 hours for a full battery life. Now, to increase the wear and tear, or to get rid of a lot of the wear and tear that most cases we're seeing, we went ahead and added an acrylic case on the outside of the MDF. This kept the MDF from getting wet and degrading over time. So that's primarily where we changed everything, and the only things that we kept from the original speaker was the motherboard. Everything else is all innovation.